What defined witchcraft as a legal offense historically? Imagine living in a time when simply being different or having a strange belief could land you in serious trouble. That's how it was with witchcraft laws. For centuries, laws against witchcraft were based on the idea that some people used supernatural powers to harm others or work with evil spirits. These laws started in England and then spread to American colonies, often mixing superstition, religion, and social control. The earliest big law was England's Witchcraft Act of 1542. It made practicing witchcraft a serious crime punishable by death and losing property. This law saw witchcraft as a dangerous threat to society. Later, in England, the Witchcraft Act of 1604 expanded what counted as witchcraft. It included conjuring or talking to evil spirits, using charms or spells, and even interacting with animals believed to be familiars. If someone was caught doing these things, they could be imprisoned or, if caught again, face the death penalty. When English settlers moved to North America, they brought these laws with them. The Massachusetts Bay Colony, for example, made witchcraft a crime that could get you the death penalty. Between 1648 and 1688, several people in colonies like Connecticut and Massachusetts were executed for witchcraft. The most famous case was the Salem witch trials of 1692. During those trials, accused witches were tried in special courts where guilt was presumed. Evidence often included spectral evidence, which meant testimony that the accused spirit had harmed someone. Today, that kind of evidence would be considered invalid, but back then, it was enough to condemn someone. These laws seem bizarre now, but they show how fear and superstition shaped early American laws. They criminalized things that are impossible to prove today, like having a familiar or conjuring spirits. Punishments ranged from imprisonment to execution based on accusations that seem superstitious now. These laws were often used to control social behavior and enforce religious rules. They mainly targeted vulnerable groups like women, the elderly, or outsiders. Some remnants of witchcraft laws stayed on the books into the 20th century, showing how strange and persistent these old laws really were.